We are living in this planet as if we had another one to go to. These words were pronounced by Terry Swearingen, winner of the Goldman Prize in 1997. This quote makes reference to the increasingly preoccupying problem of climate change and to the destruction of the environment caused by humanity. It seems inconceivable that some people still think that global warming is nothing more than a lie. But unfortunately, the situation is like this, and my country, Spain, is no exception. According to a study of Yale's and Columbia's universities, Spain occupies the 7th position in the ranking of countries that protect the most the environment. In 2013, Spain was the European country with more environmental projects financed by the Life Plus, which is the financial tool of the European Union for everything related to this topic. Moreover, this country is one of the promoters of the circular economy, and that is why more than 75% of plastic and glass packets are recycled. We have achieved great results, but compared to other countries like Germany or Sweden, we are far from being a worldwide reference for our environmental commitment. At the moment, we are suffering a devastating drought, which not only implies a lack of water. To make matters worse, the hydraulic energy has decreased a lot, and consequently, we are using a lot of coal to produce energy, a 72% more. A report made by the Observatory of Sustainability showed that less than half of the Spanish population are aware of the actual environmental situation. In this survey, various subjects were tackled, but the only question that worried 90% of the ones polled was that regarding the loss of biodiversity, and they all agree that the government should employ more resources to protect it. This loss of terrestrial and marine biodiversity, together with the emission of greenhouse gases that are caused by the electric consumption coming from the combustion of fossil fuels, are the main environmental problems concerning Spain. When it comes to politics, there are different opinions about the measures that should be implemented to save the environment, and the disagreements frequently occur between the right-wing and the left-wing parties, while the left-wing parties like Podemos consider this topic one of their political priorities and would like to take big preventive measures to avoid completely the use of non-renewable energies and would also like to reform environmental policies. The right-wing parties that are likely to protect the interests of business, like Popular Party, will just promote the use of clean energy sources while leaving the old laws untouched. A solution to stop the two above-mentioned problems could be a consortium between right-wing and left-wing parties in order to protect the interests of the business, but also to protect the environment, restricting the use of fossil fuels and the destruction of natural habitats. In conclusion, there are some fields that should be improved, and a lot of work remains, but little by little we are following the right path to reach a sustainable society and a healthy environment. Everything is just about putting your grain of sand, and if everyone does it, that will make the difference.